Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Children, can you say the names of some festivals? Yes, you can say Onam, Bakrid, Christmas, etc. Right? So, which day we celebrate Christmas? You know, we celebrate Christmas on 25th December every year, right? And so in this lesson we are going to learn about the festival of Christmas. That means Christmas ka Tyohar. Tyohar means festival. Christmas ka Tyohar means festival of Christmas. Okay? And so let us take page number 63 in your textbook. Okay. Path 10 Christmas ka Tyohar. The festival of Christmas. बालक यीशु का जन्म बेथलेहेम के एक अस्तबैल में हुआ था. बालक यीशु, बालक मीन्स चाइल्ड, इन्फेंट. यीशु का जन्म, यीशु का जन्म बेथलेहेम के एक अस्तबैल में हुआ था. अस्तबैल मीन्स स्टेबल. सो यीशु वॉज बॉर्न इन ए स्टेबल इन बेथलेहेम. बेथलेहेम इज द नेम ऑफ द प्लेस. उनकी माम का नाम मरियम था. व्हाट वाज हिज मदर्स नेम? यस, उनकी माम का नाम, हिज मदर वाज और हिज मदर्स नेम वाज मरियम. उस समय कुछ गडरिये पास के खेतों में अपने मवेशियों की रखवाली कर रहे थे. उस समय एट दैट टाइम कुछ गडरिये मीन्स शेपर्ड्स, पास के खेतों में, नियर बाई फील्ड, पास के खेतों में अपने मवेशियों को, अपने कैटल्स, मवेशियों की रखवाली कर रहे थे. They were keeping their cattle in the field. The shepherds were keeping their cattle. अचानक वहां एक दिव्य ज्योति दिखाई दी. अचानक मीन्स सडनली वहां एक दिव्य ज्योति, डिवाइन ज्योति, divine light. There shows the divine light. And एक देवदूत प्रकट हुए. देवदूत means angel. And there appeared an angel. देवदूत means angel. उन्होंने कहा, here उन्होंने कहा means the angel told, the sound of the angel. तुम्हारे यहाँ अनोखे पवित्र शिशु का जन्म हुआ है, उसका नाम यीशु है. These are the words of the angel. Okay. तुम्हारे यहाँ, here, अनोखे पवित्र शिशु का जन्म हुआ है. Here happened what's the birth of a divine child. उसका नाम यीशु है. And the name of the child is Yeshu. The angel told the shepherds. गडरिये उसी समय बेथलेहेम की ओर चल पड़े और वहां पहुंचकर यीशु को प्रणाम किया. And what the shepherds did? Shepherds were going towards Bethlehem. And when they reached in Bethlehem, they bowed Yeshu. When they saw this child in the what they did? They bowed with respect. What means short respect? Yeshu, the small child. Pranam karna means bowed. With respect, they bowed this small child. And फिर इस दिव्य बालक के जन्म की कथा औरों को भी बताने के लिए चल पड़े. And what they did after that they spread the news of this divine child. They spread the news of the birth of this divine child to others also. Clear? ईसा मसीह या यीशु को क्राइस्ट कहते हैं. Then ईसा मसीह या यीशु और ईसा मसीहा को क्राइस्ट कहते हैं. What we call Christ, isn't it? उनके जन्म की खुशी पर जो प्रार्थना की जाती है, उसे मास कहते हैं. अपने जन्म के बारे में, this date that means 25th, people began to celebrate Christmas. How? In order to remember this date. And so people call Isa Masih or Yeshu as Christ, isn't it? They call him Mass in relation with the happiness of his birth. People call Yeshu as Mass, M-A-S-S, Mass, in relation with the happiness of his birth. In this way, both Christ and Mass, C-H-R-I-S-T, Christ or Christ plus Mass, and thus they became Christmas. Christ plus Mass, and together these words join together and make the word Christmas, C-H-R-I-S-T plus M-A-S-S. Okay, got it? And thus the word Christmas derived. And क्रिसमस शब्द बना है, पर पहले क्रिसमस मनाने का कोई निश्चित दिन नहीं था. बट पहले earlier there were no fixed date for celebrating Christmas. There were no fixed dates. निश्चित दिन means fixed date for celebrating Christmas. चौथी शताब्दी में, चौथी means fourth, शताब्दी century. In fourth century लोगों ने, लोगों मीन्स पीपल, लोगों ने 25 दिसंबर को क्रिसमस का उत्सव मनाना शुरू किया. सो दिस डेट वाज 25th December was based on what? Gregorian calendar. That is, यह तारीख 25th December, 25 दिसंबर नए ग्रेगोरियन कैलेंडर पर आधारित थी. किंतु कई चर्च पुराने कैलेंडर के हिसाब से ही क्रिसमस का त्योहार जनवरी में मनाते रहे. बट देयर आर सम चर्चेस, ओके, एंड व्हाट दे डिड, which celebrate Christmas festival in which month? In January, according to the old calendar. So according to the Gregorian calendar, Christmas is celebrated only on which day? 25th December. But some churches, they were celebrating Christmas according to the old calendar, that is January. In the month of January they are celebrating, okay, very few people. And this date, that is 25th December, was based on Gregorian calendar. That is why we celebrate 25th December as Christmas. Clear? That means earlier there were no fixed date for celebrating Christmas, and from 4th century onwards, 25th December, we celebrate Christmas. And this date was, that is 25th December, was based on Gregorian calendar. But there are some churches which celebrate Christmas festival in which month? In January, according to the old calendar, not Gregorian calendar, according to the old calendar. Clear? And now shall we wind up today's session? Okay, read the textbook very well, study the meanings, and do the test paper and post it. Okay, so see you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.